In February 2019, government of Rwanda closed its border to Uganda after it accused its neighbor of harboring rebels, espionage and harassment of Rwandan nationals. Because of the border closure, several businessmen, especially local traders from sides, suffered immensely and some even lost their businesses as a result because of the accrued loans. It is against that backdrop that traders from working around the area of Katune have decided to seek assistance from the East African Sub-Regional Support Initiative for the Advancement of Women in Southern and East Africa Trade Information and Negotiations Institute, CEATIN, to request the East African Court to prevail on two countries so that they can compensate traders for the losses they incurred.
It is commendable that after a 3-year closure, there is now movement towards resolving the tensions between the two countries, Uganda and Rwanda, and this is a great step towards deepening the East African community integration and promoting intra-regional trade.
When the border was opened, we haven't had any statement, any intervention from YALA, from the East African Secretariat, we have a Council of Ministers, even from the summit itself, we haven't had anything. And it's like the issue is between not even countries, but maybe two individuals.
The activists also want courts to put a permanent injunction against the closure of borders by the two countries.
And we're also calling for the strengthening of the regional integration because we are bringing more members on board. DRC is coming on board, Sudan came on board. So we need to strengthen the institutions of the East African community to ensure that the community works for the people because it's people-centered.
On the issue of only allowing trucks carrying goods and Rwandan nationals to cross to Rwanda following the reopening of the border on the 31st of January 2022, members of the civil society had this to say.
There have been financial losses incurred by the two governments, definitely. The local government authorities at the borders, women cross-border traders, the men cross-border traders, transporters, landlords, clearing agents, school owners, restaurants, lodging services, service operators, and even the sex workers.
Because even when they opened up the border, it's the trucks which are moving. The people are not moving. So let us make the East African regional integration really, really people-centered.
At the moment, both Uganda and Rwanda are still discussing ways that will make it safe for citizens to travel across the border.